Hello everyone, this is Siddharth and today we will be solving another question on Geek for Geeks, which is triplet sum in an array. So what we have to do in this problem is that we have given an array and we have to find, or we can say we have to check if there is any triplet present in this array whose sum add up to the value of x, which is 13 in this example 1. So there can be two approaches to solve this question. First one is using two pointer approach and the second one is hash map. So we will be discussing both the approaches in this video. So let's start with the two pointer approach, which is a little bit inefficient than the hash set approach, but in the worst case time complexity of both the solution will going to be omega of n square. So let's start discussing with the first approach. So in the first approach, what we will be doing, first we will sort our array. You will soon know why we are doing that. So let's sort this array. So 1 4, then 6 will come, then 8 will come, and then 45. So after sorting the array, what we will do, we will initialize in for loop. So after initializing and for loop, we will create two pointers. First one is left pointer, which is pointing the second element of the array, and another one is the right pointer, which is pointing to the last element of the array. And we will start from the first element. Now we will calculate our sum. So that will going to be 45 plus 4 plus 1. So these add up to 5 plus 45 will going to be 50. So this sum is obviously greater than x, which is 13. So what we have to do, we will move our right pointer. So now because we have to minimize the sum, so we will move our right pointer as the array is sorted. So in this manner, if we find our sum greater than, then we will move our right pointer, otherwise we will move our left pointer. And if we find our sum equals to our desired value, which is 13 in the first example, we will return true. So this is the approach of two pointers, and you can code that out. That is very easy. Now uh, I will be coding out the hash map hash set part. So in the hash set part, we don't have to write any other unnecessary code of various conditions. So let's start. Okay, so first we will start traversing into our array, and we will start checking from the first element itself. So I equals to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Now what we have to do, we have to create an hash set. So hash set integer hs is equals to new hash set. Now we have to find a current required sum. You will soon know why we are finding this. So current sum is equals to x minus element at ith position. So why we are doing this, let's see. So in the first example, what we have given x is equals to 13, and so after finding this current required sum, we have handled this like we have subtract 13 from 1. Now additional, what we have to check if 12 is present into our hash set, as we have added the element in our hash set. If that element is present in the hash set, uh, that is suggesting that is element is present in the array as well. So we have find the triplet. So as we have find the current required sum from the for the ith element, now we have to start traversing from the next element itself, which will going to be int j equals to 0, j less than, sorry, not j equals to 0, we have to start from the next element, I plus 1, j less than n, j plus plus. Now we have to check if that element is present in a the required sum is present into a hash set or not. So if a h hash set contains current required sum minus az, then we have find the triplet and we will be returning true. Otherwise, what we have to do, we will be putting that uh, putting current element, which will going to be 4 in the first traversal in a hash set, so that we can check it when we move on to the next element, and after that we will be returning false if we haven't encountered any of the triplet. So now let's try to run this code. Okay, sorry, this should be add. Okay, so let's try to submit this code. So all the test cases have been processed. So bye, see you in the next video. Thank you.